Welcome to the final part of our needs assessment domain. In this video, we'll focus on reinforcing what we've learned and connecting it to the PMI Business Analysis Practice Guide. We'll also conclude the needs assessment domain by summarizing the key principles, techniques, and steps that form the foundation of effective business needs analysis. This session concludes Module 3, the needs assessment domain, and it builds directly on the previous session, Module 3.6. If you haven't done so yet, I recommend revisiting the earlier videos in this module to see how each step connects to create a complete, structured approach to business needs assessment within the PMI-PBA training journey.
The PMI Guide to Business Analysis tells us what needs to be done in needs assessment. The BA Practice Guide complements this by showing us how to do it. It reinforces three key perspectives. First, understand the situation. Clarify the why through tools like situation statements, fishbone diagrams, or the 5 whys. Second, find the gaps. Compare current and future capabilities with techniques such as gap analysis or capability tables. And third, define the solution, evaluate alternatives, and recommend the best option. For example, in a retail organization struggling with declining sales, the guide helps us structure the problem and define goals. The practice guide then gives us the tools to dig deeper, perhaps using a fishbone diagram to uncover root causes like poor store layout or outdated promotions. This combination ensures that analysis is not just theoretical, but practical and actionable. In this module, we explored the needs assessment domain, the essential first step in business analysis. We saw how it provides the foundation for all subsequent work by identifying problems or opportunities, assessing the current state, defining the desired future state, and carefully evaluating solution options. The final output, the business case, integrates these findings into a clear justification for change, ensuring that initiatives are not based on assumptions but on real business needs and value. In practice, this process protects organizations from wasted investments and misaligned solutions. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or government, the discipline of needs assessment helps leaders make sound, evidence-based decisions. As we move into the case study, you'll have the chance to apply these concepts, defining the situation, finding the gaps, and recommending solutions that demonstrate value and support executive decision-making.